Hello everyone, I'm back. Got another car here, got another starter. 2000 Chevy Monte Carlo. Customer came to me about a starter problem. So we got the new starter right here. I'll show you how to take it out, alright? Take it out and replace it. Let's go. First thing you want to do, I got the car jacked up right now. And I took the little under panel out. Couple bolts, 10mm bolts. See the 10mm bolts. And the first thing we're gonna do is disconnect the battery terminals. So I'm gonna do that and I'll get right back to you. After disconnecting the battery, we're gonna come down and we're gonna disconnect. I can try to get it for you. We're gonna disconnect. Ooh. We're gonna disconnect these. There we go. We're gonna disconnect this one and this one. We're gonna disconnect these. These are the power sources for your starter. We're gonna disconnect them. One and two. And then after that, I'm gonna come back at you when I get them disconnected. All right. Took those connectors out. You can see it from try to show you a little better, but the connectors out. Took the wires out. You see it? I can show you. There you go. That's a lot better. The connectors out. You know. So now, take the connectors out. You just needed a 13mm socket. And you need an 8mm socket. Show you. And now, the next step, if you slide all the way back, you'll see two bolts. One right here, and one right up in here. The light is too. Then you'll see, I'll put an arrow for you. It was right there. And take those two bolts out, then the starter will just come out. And let me take those bolts out and I'll come back to you. Got the old starter out. Take your 15mm socket. You gotta pay attention to the bolts. This bolt is gonna go back here because it's longer than this one. Pay attention to that. But yep, the starter's out. This is the front bolt and this is the back bolt. Time to put the new starter back in. I'll holler at you when the new starter back in. I'm back. I got the bolts in, the two bolts. You see them? Now it's time to come back up here to the front and put your connectors. I'm sorry, I'm trying to get a good angle. Put your connectors back on. And after you put your connectors back on, kind of finish installing the starter. Let me put the connectors back on and I'll be right back to you. All right. We got the connectors back in. Let me see if I can give you another quick view. Probably not. But all right, from the top part, you'll see the connectors. They're back on. And now, see the connectors, they're back on the wires. And now we just plug the battery back up and we installed the starter. 2000 Chevy Monte Carlo. If you like this video, like and subscribe for more videos. And I'll give you more videos.